Shri Gurubhyo Namaha children. Welcome to our online teaching academy Ekalaiva. Today we are going to see class 3rd standard subject Maths board CBSE chapter 9 money. So in today's class we are going to see exercise 6. So dividing money, that is rupees and paise, rupees alone we are going to divide it by 9, that is dividing by numbers. So to a first sum we are going to divide rupees 45 by 9. So which is dividend? 45 is the dividend, then 9 is the divisor. So first we will do in ordinary division, we will divide, then at last in the answer you can write the rupee symbol. So like ordinary division we are going to divide 45 by 9. So listen children, first let us check first digit, it is less than the divisor. So divisor is 9, 45 is the dividend. So it is less than the divisor, so we will take 2 digit, okay, 45, because 4 is less than the divisor. So 45 if you take, so whether in 9 table you check, yes, 45, how many times children? How many times 45? 9 5s are 45, so 5 you write in the quotient, then 45 here you can write. So now we can subtract, 45 minus 45 is 0. So quotient you can write in the answer. So quotient is 5, remainder is 0. So the answer is, you can write quotient is 5, remainder is 0. So answer you can write rupees 5. The answer is rupees 5. Next one we are going to divide 256 rupees divided by 8. So you write 256 by 8. So what is 8? 8 is the divisor, 256 is the dividend. So first you check first digit, it is less than the divisor. So we will take 25, okay, 2 digit will take. So if you check 25, see 25 is not there, but we will take 24, okay. So 24 if you take, how many times 24 in 8 tables children? So how many 8s are there in 25? So 3 8s are there, okay. So you can write 3 in the quotient. Next you write 24 here. So now we are going to subtract. So what is 5 minus 4 is? 5 minus 4 is 1, then 2 minus 2 is 0. So no need to write in front of the number, before the number it has no value. So don't write 0 here. Next we will carry 6. So now 16. So 16 is there in 8 table children, check. Yes, 16 is there. How many times? 2 times, okay. How many times? 2 times. So 8 2s are 16. So you write 2 in the quotient. So 16 minus 16 is 0. So quotient is 32. Remainder is 0. So the answer is, see they have given rupees. So in answer you write rupees 32. The answer is rupees 32. Next one, 204 rupees divided by 6. So we are going to divide 204 by 6. See listen children, like ordinary division we are going to divide this. So if you check, this is 204 is the dividend, 6 is the divisor. So if you take 2, it is less than the divisor. So we will take 20. So 20 if you are taking, so which is nearby 20 is 18. So 24 we can't take because it is greater than 20, okay. So we will take 18. So how many times 18 in 6 table? 3 times. So you write 3 in the quotient. Next we will subtract 20 minus 18. So what is 0 minus 8? We can't subtract, so we have to borrow from the before number. So 2 becomes 1, 0 becomes 10. So 10 minus 8 is 2, next 1 minus 1 is 0. Next we will carry 4. So you check in 6 table, 24 is there. Yes. How many times children? 6 fours are 24. So you write 4 in the quotient. So 24 minus 24 is 0. So quotient is 34. Remainder is 0. So what is the answer? So in answer you write rupees 34 because they have given rupees. So you write rupees 34. Next one, rupees 240 divided by 4. So we are going to divide it by 4. So 240 is the dividend, 4 is the divisor. So let us check first digit. It is less than the divisor. So we will take 24. So 24 how many times, children, in 4 table? 6 times. How many times? 6 times. So you can write 4 6 are 24. So what is 24 minus 24 is 0. Next we will carry 0. So 0 how many times, children? 4 zeros are 0. 4 zeros are 0. So you can write 4 zeros are 0. So 0 minus 0 is 0. So tell me the quotient now. Quotient is 60. Remainder is 0. So answer is, you can write rupees 60. The answer is rupees 60. Next one, word problem. See, they have given the price of 10 pencils is rupees 30. What is the price of 1 pencil? So they are asking, they have given cost of 10 pencils, that is price of 10 pencils. So what we are going to find out? The price of 1 pencil. So if they ask 1 or each, means what we have to do, children? We are going to divide. We are going to divide and then find out the answer. So you write solution. Next you write price of 10 pencils. So what is price of 10 pencils? So price of 10 pencils equal to rupees 30. Next what we are going to find out? Price of 1 pencil. So you write price of 1 pencil equal to, you are going to divide 30 by 10. 30 by 10. So you write 30 by 10. So in 10 table how many times, children? 30. 10 ones are 10, 10 twos are 20, 10 threes are 30. So you write 10 3 in the quotient, then 30 here. So we are going to subtract 30 minus 30 is 0. So quotient is 3, remainder is 0. So now you tell me what is the price of 1 pencil, children? So answer, the price of 1 pencil is, so what is the price of 1 pencil? So the price of 1 pencil is rupees 3. The price of 1 pencil is rupees 3. See, tell me, children, the price of 10 pencils is rupees 30. What is the price of 1 pencil? So you write first, the price of 10 pencils is rupees 30. Next, price of 1 pencil equal to rupees 30 divided by 10. So if you divide by 10, you will get 3 is the answer. So the price of 1 pencil is rupees 3. Next one, Hari's parents bought 5 kg of potatoes of rupees 85. What is the cost of 1 kg of potatoes? So 1 kg, if they ask, what you have to do? You are going to divide. You are going to divide and then find out the answer. So you write solution. So first what they have given, children? Cost of, you write cost of 5 kg of potatoes is rupees 85. So we are going to find out cost of 1 kg of potatoes. So first what they have given, you write cost of 1 kg of potatoes. Cost of 5 kg of potatoes. Cost of 5 kg of potatoes equal to rupees 85. So we are going to find out cost of 1 kg of potatoes. So cost of 1 kg of potatoes equal to, we are going to divide 85 by 5. So we are going to divide 85 by 5. So 85 we are going to divide by 5. So we'll check first digit. See, listen children, 8. 8 is greater than the 5, that is greater than the divisor. So we'll take 8 alone. So how many times children? We'll take 5 ones are 5. How many times? So 8. How many 5s are there in 8? Only 1 5. Okay. So you can write 5 ones are 5. So 8 minus 5 is 3. Next we'll carry 5. Next we'll bring 5 here. So 35. So 35 how many times children? 5 sevens are 35. So you can write 5 sevens are 35. So 35 minus 35 is 0. So quotient is 17. Remainder is 0. Now you tell me what is the price cost of 1 kg of potatoes. So you can write answer, cost of 1 kg of potatoes, cost of 1 kg of potatoes equal to rupees 17. So you write with the rupees symbol. Okay. So listen children, so they have given the cost of 5 kg of potatoes, you write rupees 85. Next, cost of 1 kg of potatoes we are going to find out, that is 85 divided by 5. So if you divide 85 by 5 you will get 17. So what is the cost of 1 kg of potatoes is rupees 17. So exercise 6 we have completed, that's all money chapter we have completed now. So to receive our online lessons, please press the subscribe button and you will receive the latest updates. Thank you children.